how to see and find your saved searches on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your saved searches on eBay easy and fast. So all what you have to do to find your saved searches is log into your account, of course, and now go to the top here on my eBay option. Go to it, and now you will find many options here. Go down until you find the saved searches option. Click on it, and here you will find your saved searches easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end, cause this helped me a lot.